Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes B-Class. This is a 2017, the W246 chassis, and I'm going to be changing the pollen filter in it. Now this pollen filter, there's different types. There is an active carbon filter, and we have obviously the pollen one. So there is a difference between them. If you get, well, the active carbon one is a bit more expensive to start with, but it does filter things like bacteria and that kind of stuff. The one that's just the pollen filter, it just stops pollen from coming into the car. So it's probably worth investing a little bit more and just getting the active carbon one. So it will do both jobs. And that's the one I have here. This is a Febi one. Febi 40422. And this particular one in this model is sitting in the passenger side here, down by the footwell. So what we have to do is pull the carpet back here. Right, once we have the carpet back, then we need to look up here to this cover, and there are some clips that we need to pull. Once you pull on those clips, you'll be able to remove this plastic cover, and that's where our pollen filter is sitting. So it might be a little bit difficult to get it out at the angle that it is, but it has to come out through there. Otherwise you would have to remove the auxiliary battery here. I'm not sure that has been fitted properly, to be honest. I think it should be fitted with this, where this corner is here, it should be going up. This has been fitted like this, sideways. I've never seen it fitted like that. This is probably why it was so squashed. But I'll have to just double check that. Right, yes, so the filter is meant to go up this way, and this one was fitted sideways. I don't even know how they managed to get that in there. Well, clearly they squashed it a lot. Anyway, you have to squish it a little bit to get it in, but hopefully not that much. Right. Now the next battle is with the little cover here, but if you line it up properly, it should fit in, hopefully with no dramas. But this cover can be a bit of a drama fitting back. You do have to line it up properly. Okay. Okay, I managed to get it in. You just have to make sure it is pushed back properly on the hinges at the back, and that the surrounding lines up with the housing of the pollen filter, and then you can clip it back on. So anyway, it's not really terrible, but it is what it is. And then we just push our carpet back to normal. And having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching.